I am going to show you guys how you'll be able to make money online through this Momo paying platform. So if you're in Ghana, this is a platform that you can invest. Now take note, this is an investment platform. Now the good thing about this platform is that you can withdraw your income or you can withdraw your investment or your interest every day if you meet the minimum requirement. If today is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. Please do want to subscribe, like this video, and also share. Now, let's dive right into this video. Now, this is a Momo paying platform, and this is an investment platform. So, what you have to do is that the moment you get here, first, I will leave the link of this platform in this video description and also in the comment section. So, what you have to do is that if you get to the comment section or the description, just tap on the link there, tap on that particular link, make money online, tap on the link, and then it is going to take you to the website. What you need is to register with your Momo number, okay, because you are going to withdraw your income through your Momo wallet. So register with your Momo number and get access to the portal. Now, the moment you get to the portal, what you have to do is to first go through, read through their packages that they have. Then you need to deposit. You need to deposit the amount that you can afford. Make sure you deposit the amount that you can afford. So if you tap on deposit, just follow the instruction that they have given keenly to submit your deposit. Now, after you are done, you see that the money that you deposited will be credited on the portal. Now, when you see that, this is the time for you to go and invest. So just go through the packages or the products that they have here, go through, and the one that you can afford, just buy that product and wait for your interest. Now, with this, when your interest reach the minimum threshold, you can withdraw it to your Momo wallet. And also, the exciting news about this one is that you can also share your link to your partners, or you can share the link to your family members or your friends, and you'll be able to also earn commission from the interest that they are going to get. So this is one of the Momo Pay platform that can help you to make money online. But one thing you need to take is that this platform normally doesn't last for long. It can last for even a month, 2 months, or 3 months, and the platform will be shut down. So take note of that. If you're going there, don't go and put all your money on this platform. And one advice that I can give you is that after investing, make sure you withdraw your money daily. You withdraw your money daily so that when the platform shut down, you're not going to lose your money. So the link is in this video description. Just tap on the link, register, deposit, and start your investment. And you will thank me later. See you.